Hello everyone, let's study about all the MCQs which can come on the topic of HIV management. Okay, so antiretroviral therapy involves a combination of at least 3 drugs, typically 2 NRTIs, nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, and either a protease inhibitor or non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. And this combination both decreases viral replication but also reduces the risk of viral resistance emerging. Okay, so what are the entry inhibitors? So it's maraviroc, which binds to CCR5 and preventing the interaction with GP41. So remember that maraviroc prevents the interaction with GP41, but enfuviratide binds to GP41, and that's why we call this infusion inhibitor. Remember it by few, so it is known as infusion inhibitor. Okay, so maraviroc binds to CCR5 and preventing interaction with GP41, and enfuviratide binds to GP41 and also known as fusion inhibitor. It prevents HIV from entering and infecting cells. Next is nucleoside analog reverse transcriptase. So it is zidovudine and abacavir, emtricitabine, didanosine, lamivudine, stavudine, zycitabine, and tenofovir. And generally the side effects are peripheral neuropathy, and for tenofovir, I remember it by ROT, renal impairment, osteoporosis, and T, tenofovir, ROT. Okay, so renal impairment, osteoporosis, and tenofovir. Zidovudine, I remember it's by ZMAP, zidovudine, myopathy, anemia, and black nails. And DP, didanosine, pancreatitis. Watch this segment again to remember all the side effects related to NRTIs. Next, nevirapine, efavirenz. It has efavirenz, nevirapine. Okay, side effects include P450 enzyme interaction, and nevirapine induces and rashes. Protease inhibitors. Indinavir, it has navir, and navir. Okay, so side effects include diabetes, hyperlipidemia, buffalo hump, central obesity. You can remember it by having more like Cushing syndromes like symptoms. Okay, but PI involves for P450 inhibitors, but NNRTIs has the P450 inducers. Okay, nevirapine and efavirenz. Don't confuse it with enfuviratide, because enfuviratide binds to GP41 and it is a fusion inhibitor. Integrase, it is the important MCQ which come in and repetitively come is that indinavir, the side effect of indinavir is renal stones. Okay, and the ritonavir is inhibitor. And integrase, remember the TIG, reltigriver, elvitigriver, and dolutegriver. So blocks the action of integrase, a viral enzyme that inserts the viral genome into the DNA of the host cell. Remember, the viral genome, not the bacterial, a viral enzyme, not the bacterial enzyme, inserts the viral genome, not the bacterial genome, into the DNA of the host, not into the RNA. So each line contains at least 3 MCQs. A viral enzyme that inserts the viral genome into the DNA of the host cell. So let's move to the next question.